just going to take this whole piece off here. To remove this whole regulator piece in here, you're going to remove this one, this, and this bolt. But you also have to get the window out, which means you have to remove the bolt here. There's another one about here. You're going to wind your window down till about there, and you'll be able to get it with a socket. These two down here, you'll see that they'll slot up back up just where they came from. One there, and one right. Two, just like that, lightly threading bolts just so things will stay in place. One, two, this one here, there. And then those are your adjusters, we'll stuff around with them after. Till then we're going to do these up first. We'll leave those half loose, we're going to tighten them but not too much. So these ones are going to do it fully. Do these up tight now, not ridiculously tight, but tight enough. And roll it back down. See this one, tighten that one off. And we'll look at the top. GQ windows have a habit of just dropping around here. And if that's your case, then you'll get these two bolts, loosen them, and you'll move one down or one up. Try and demonstrate it, we'll see. You can move one down, and the whole window will move. Then all you can do is put your door back together and voila.